When it comes to robot vacuums, very few brands push innovation the way Roborock does. And their new Q-revo line is the perfect example of that. But if you're trying to decide between the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow and the Q-revo Curv 2 Pro, you're not just choosing between two models, you're choosing two different cleaning philosophies. One focuses on delivering the most advanced, hygienic mopping system Roborock has ever built, while the other doubles down on extreme suction power and a flexible, ultra-slim design meant to tackle mixed floor homes. So in this video, we're breaking down both robots across design, suction, mopping, navigation, real-life usability, dock maintenance, and value. The goal is simple. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your home better. Let's start with the design, because the way these robots are shaped already tells you a lot about their target audience. The Curv 2 Pro is noticeably slimmer. With a retractable LiDAR tower and a chassis that sits under 8 centimeters, it's built to slide under low sofas, beds, and furniture where most robot vacuums simply can't reach. If you have tight furniture gaps or lots of undercouch dust bunnies, this design alone is a game changer. The Curv 2 Flow, on the other hand, takes a more traditional, slightly bulkier approach because it needs space to support its wide roller mop system. Instead of prioritizing low-clearance maneuvering, it prioritizes cleaning coverage with every pass. In open spaces like hallways, living rooms, and kitchens, that wide roller helps the flow cover more ground in fewer strokes. So already, you can see where each one fits. Curv 2 Pro wins in tight spaces, while Curv 2 Flow wins in open, messy, hard floor areas. Now let's talk suction, because this is one of the biggest differentiators. The Curv 2 Pro is the powerhouse here, rocking an impressive 25,000 Pascal of suction, the highest Roborock has ever put into a Q-revo model at this size. If you have carpets, rugs, pet hair, or deep embedded dust, the Pro is going to feel like a mini upright vacuum operating on autopilot. The Curv 2 Flow, meanwhile, peaks at around 20,000 Pascal, which is still extremely powerful and more than enough for hardwood, tiles, or even low-pile rugs. But it doesn't quite reach the carpet-penetrating strength of the Pro. So if deep cleaning carpets is a major priority in your home, the Pro's suction edge is absolutely worth paying attention to. If you mainly have hard floors, you may never notice the difference. But suction tells only half the cleaning story. The real philosophical divide is in the mopping systems, and this is where these two robots are built for very different lifestyles. The Curv 2 Flow uses Roborock's latest SpiraFlow roller mop, and this is not just a slightly upgraded mop pad, it's a completely different mopping technology. Instead of a pair of spinning pads, the Flow uses a fast-rotating roller that continuously absorbs clean water, scrubs the floor, and then gets scraped and refreshed inside the dock during operation. That means nearly every pass is done with fresh water, and the dirty water gets separated into a different tank. If you have kids, pets, food spills, sticky messes, dried stains, or kitchen grime, the Flow behaves far more like a human scrubbing a floor than a traditional robot with wipe pads. The Curv 2 Pro, on the other hand, uses dual spinning mop pads, an improved version of the system Roborock has perfected over time. They apply solid downward pressure, rotate quickly, and handle day-to-day spills very well. But the Pro also has one advantage the Flow doesn't: automatic mop lifting and mop detachment, which helps keep carpets from getting wet. So again, your floor layout matters. For a mostly hard floor home where sticky kitchen messes are constant, the Flow is a mop specialist. For a home with a mix of tile and carpet where you want a safe balance between mopping and vacuuming without accidental wet carpet scenarios, the Pro is the more flexible option. Next, let's dive into navigation and obstacle avoidance, because both robots offer the full stack of smart technologies: LiDAR mapping, structured light sensors, and AI-powered object recognition. Both can identify common household items like shoes, cables, toys, and even pet waste, which helps them avoid disaster cleanup situations. But there's a difference in how they physically interact with the floor. The Curv 2 Pro features an adaptive chassis system. Roborock calls it AdaptiLift, which lets the robot adjust its clearance and maintain consistent suction on thick carpets while being able to climb thresholds more confidently. The Curv 2 Flow is still excellent at navigating clutter and mapping rooms accurately, but its physical design is optimized around stability and mop performance, not adaptive height. If your house has many transitions, tiles to carpet, carpet to hardwood, or uneven flooring, the Pro's adaptive system is going to feel smoother and more reliable. Now let's look at the dock systems, because with today's high-end robot cleaners, the dock is just as important as the robot itself. Both docks can auto-empty dust, refill the robot's water tank, clean the mop pads or roller, and dry everything with warm air. But the Curv 2 Flow's dock is specifically built for the roller mop. It uses continuous clean water washing, a scraper to remove debris from the roller, and a warm air drying system designed to prevent odor buildup. The Curv 2 Pro's dock focuses more on high-temperature cleaning for the dual mop pads and faster drying cycles. In both cases, the maintenance load for you becomes minimal. Maybe you replace dust bags occasionally, refill the tank, and change filters every few months. That's about it. But if cleanliness and hygiene of the mop itself matter a lot to you, the Flow's continuous roller cleaning system is genuinely next level. In real-world usage, the differences become even clearer. The Flow consistently performs better in kitchens, dining areas, and high-traffic zones where sticky stains accumulate. Because the roller is constantly refreshed, it leaves fewer streaks, handles dried liquid better, and does a more consistent job removing grime. However, roller systems are mechanically more complex, meaning long-term maintenance might involve more moving parts. The Pro, meanwhile, shines in homes with multi-floor setups, carpets, pets, and lots of furniture. Its slim profile means it goes places other robots simply can't. And its extreme suction means you'll see fewer hair clumps, fewer crumbs left behind, and better deep clean performance on rugs. So let's talk value. Both are premium robots, but your money goes toward different strengths. The Curv 2 Flow gives you one of the best mopping systems on any robot today, ideal for families and homes with big hard floor areas. The Curv 2 Pro gives you versatility, stronger vacuuming, better carpet performance, and a slimmer body, ideal for mixed floor homes, pet owners, and people who want a more balanced all-in-one cleaner. Which one should you choose? If your home is mostly hard floors and you deal with sticky stains, spills, kitchen messes, or kids and pets, get the Curv 2 Flow. Its roller mop system is simply unmatched. But if you have a mix of carpets and hard floors, need top-tier suction, or want something that can glide under low furniture and handle more complex layouts, the Curv 2 Pro is the more practical and well-rounded option. Both are excellent, but the right one depends entirely on your home's layout and cleaning habits.